Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this session I will show you how to create Laravel package. As you know, we have one video tutorial how to make Laravel application to PWS site. This is the video. If you still not watch, you should watch it first before this video. This video link given into the description so you can find it easily and watch it. I going to create one directory for the package. This is Laravel application and this application already PWA. You can see here the installation button is available and we can install as a native app. Now let me create new folder in this application. And let me navigate into the terminal, and now I'm going to create composer.json file using composer command, composer init. This command asks some information and we need to provide, so it's created composer.json file based on this information. I need to provide the package name for this package, so let me specify Ladumor / Laravel. Let me specify description. This package used for the make PWA website minimum stability dev, because this package is in developing mode. Package type is library, license MIT, because I'm going to make public this package. Would you like to define your dependency? Let me specify yes. Search package PHP, and let me specify version of the PHP 4.6 and search for the another package. I'm going to specify Illuminative support, so let me add and search the version 5.4 and let me enter. Would you like to define your dev dependency? Let me specify no. Do you confirm generation? Yes. And would you like to install dependency now? Let me specify no, because it's not needed right now. Composer.json file is created. Let me open the editor and show you, and you can see here basic require package also included, license included, description and name of the package included, author's detail included, and minimum stability included here. Now next step is we need to create the service provider, so I'm going to create src folder here, and I'm going to create one service provider inside this src folder. Let me specify name, and PWS service provider is created. Now let me configure this class, and I added two methods in this class of the PWS service provider and extend the service provider of the support package, and specify the namespace Ladumor Laravel PWA. Now service provider is configured, and let me show you one thing. Basically manifest.json, offline.html and sw.js, this is a service worker. These three files are used for the make PWS site and need to include into the main blade file. So I'm going to move these all files inside this package and publish when this package is installed. But before this I also need to create facade here, so let me create file Laravel pwa.php file and create the facade here, and let me specify the file name Laravel pwa, and we need to extend the facade class from the support package support facade and facade. This is the get facade accessor and used for the binding the container, and we need to specify name of the facade here. So this one is done. You need to specify proper namespace as well here and specify use statement for this extended class. Now I'm going to create one folder for these stubs. Let me explain what is stubs. I'm going to move this all file inside the stubs. So let me cut from here and put here, and I'm going to rename this file with the stub. So let me rename and specify stub offline HTML rename and specify the extension HTML to stub, and third one is JS to stub. And now I need to create one command for publish these three files. So let me create one more folder and give the name commands, and I'm going to create command in this folder. So let me create file publish pwa.php and let me configure this command. I already configured this command, so we can save our time and do it quickly. Let me explain this command. This is the namespace of the command, and I'm going to extend this command from the Illuminative package. So I need to specify this here, and I'm going to use this file class for the create the file and extend and use from the facade. This is the name of the command. So I'm going to file command php artisan laravel -pwa colon publish. This is the description of the command. What thing do by this command given in short description. Also I define composer here and specify to this class, and I specify the parent constructor here because I extended the command class and command class need this constructor, and I specified composer variable here, and I'm going to specify instance of the composer from the app so I can fire the composer command. Now I'm going to specify public path. Public path is from here, and now I'm going to generate all the files using this logic. I get content from the stub and create file. I created one function here and it check here and give the permission and create the file using the file put content function, and then I specify the message this file is published. So this is same for all other two files, sw.js offline html and manifest.json, and then I going to dump autoload I going to fire this command and dump autoload the applications that I specified here composer, and this is the greeting message, and that's all. Publish command is done. Now next step is I need to specify this command inside the provider. Let me open. I need to provide a command inside the register method, so let me specify it here. So let's bind the command here and register the command name inside the command method and specify command name here as well. So now this command is registered with the register method. One more thing is we need to autoload the service provider inside the composer here. So let me specify here autoload psr4 and specify the namespace, and here we need to specify the folder name because our service provider folder is src and we created inside the src. Next one is if we want to auto discover the service provider into the Laravel applications, then we need to put into the extra. So let me specify it here as well, extra inside the Laravel, and specify providers and alias. These providers and alias we need to specify inside the, let me show you, we need to specify here Laravel pwa, and we need to specify alias and provide inside the app.config file. Let me open and show you where we add this service provider, add here, and alias we specify it here. So we need to auto discover, then we should add this extra thing into the composer.json file. Composer.json file is configured properly and I think everything is done. Now we need to install this package in this application. So let's install this package, but we need to specify in this composer.json file and we need to load from the repository because this package is not published at anywhere and any platform. So I'm going to specify here repository, and I need to specify first of all type. We're going to load from the path, so let me specify path here, and then I need to specify URL, and specify folder name. Let me specify folder name Laravel pwa, and everything is okay. Now we need to specify into the required dev and specify package name. You can see here I created package name inside the Laravel pwa. I need to specify Laravel pwa. Let me show you composer.json, and we need to specify this name into the composer and specify star because right now we don't have any version and we still not published anywhere. And one more thing, we need to add this same thing inside this autoload dev and specify here Laravel PWA and everything is fine. We no need to specify this less, and let me correct this spelling Laravel PWA and everything is fine. Now we need to fire the command composer update. Go to the main directory of the applications and fire composer update command. We got error because I make some mistake here. We need to specify this object inside the array, so let me try again for composer update. And now composer installation is done, and you can see here Ladumor PWA dev PWA installing and just generating the optimized autoload file, and I getting the error class Ladumor Laravel PWA publish PWA not found. Let me check what happened. First of all, let's check the service provider, and you can see here I missed the use statement of the PWA. Let's specify use, and I need to specify the namespace of this, and I think still I need to specify commands as well. So let me open and specify commands here. So let's fire now. You can see here composer dump autoload is successfully done and package is discover Ladumor Laravel PWA. Now I going to fire the publish command and publish all of the files. So let's fire this command PSP artisans PWA :publish, and let me show you right now sw.js offline.html and manifest.json is not there into the public directory. Now let me fire command PSP artisan, and you can see here manifest.json file is published, offline.html file is published, sw.js service worker file is published, generating autoload files and greeting. Enjoy the PWA site, and let's open, and you can see here sw.js offline.html and manifest.json. But you can see here sw.js published the HTML because I did some mistake inside the command, so I need to correct the sw.stub instead of the offline.stub. So let me remove this file from the public directory, and I need to fire composer update again. So let me fire composer update. Composer dependency updated successfully. Let me fire this command again, and everything is generated inside the public directory. And now you can see here JS generated properly. Now all these file used inside the main resource file, it's called view welcome.blade.php, and you need to inject inside the, I already injected because I created tutorial and that time I injected here. you need to specify this thing as well inside this main root file. And let me refresh and show you. Still you can see here this site is PWA and install button is available. So guys, package creation is very easy and you can easily create it based on your requirement. I'm going to publish this package into the GitHub and packages for the publish this package. I will show you how to push into the GitHub and publish into the packages for global into the next tutorial. Thank you for watching a video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and give your feedback into the comment box. Thank you.